Due to auditing requirements and the ever-changing e-prescription landscape, it is important to allocate your staff into staff groups. This is a useful tool to allow or restrict access to certain functionalities and information within RxOne. RxOne will be utilising the staff group function in setting up a lot of future functionalities, including virtual baskets. RxOne already has predefined groups in the system, but if you wish to add another staff group, you can do so by searching RxOne Editor in the search box, or you can go to Main Menu, Tools, Utilities, Other Utilities, then RxOne Editor. From here, double-click on Staff Group to select it from the list. Next, select New and type the name of the staff group that you wish to add. Click Save to finish. Please note that you cannot delete or merge staff groups that are maintained by RxOne. To assign staff to the appropriate group, the pharmacy owner or manager needs to go into the staff utility by either searching Modify Staff in the search box or by going to Main Menu, Tools, Utilities, Staff Utilities, Modify Staff. The pharmacy owner or manager needs to enter their staff ID to log on. Double-click into the selected staff member and assign the staff role using the staff group drop-down selection. You can assign multiple roles to a staff member, such as pharmacist and pharmacist manager, by selecting the Add button. Click OK to save. Click Exit to finish. It's a good idea to make all staff changes in one go, as you will need to true exit out of RxOne in order for the changes to take effect.